Hello, it's Anne. I just wanted to do a quick video today to tell you about something which is really time sensitive. It's a new release by my coach and mentor Renae Christine, who specializes in marketing coaching for handmade businesses. Okay. And I was fortunate enough to be a beta tester for her latest release, which is called Urgio and is only open for about 3 days. It closes on Thursday and we are already Tuesday. Okay, so it's even less than 3 days right now. So what is Urgio? It's actually a 21-day challenge which will push you towards launching your first product line and doing a quick product line test. So if you've been considering her Handmade Titan University, it's a really cheap way to test if this would work for you. Okay, it's not very expensive, it's very condensed in time, and since it's a challenge and you get a new task every day and there's a support group on Facebook, then it gives you this accountability which will push you towards doing it, and it's really very effective. Then you can always go into it in more details if you need to later. Okay, but it's a great first approach, and it will push you to go a little bit further than what you would naturally do, even if you followed a long course, because there is this urgency factor in it. And also it will help you overcome a few fears, which are totally natural fears for beginners or for people who have never done that kind of changes to their businesses. So how to quickly test if a collection is going to sell, and what the steps are that you need to do to test that. Okay, and so I strongly recommend it because I've tested it, sorry, and really I think it's good for all kinds of businesses, not only handmade businesses. Of course, it's centered around product selling and product collection, but it could be applied also to other types of businesses who sell services. Okay, so I will put the link below this video here. Don't forget that it is time sensitive. It's only open until Thursday, so that would be September 5th, 2019. It's supposed to be accessible only to the people who pre-registered, but Renae sent me a special access which I'm sharing with you below this video. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you would be interested in other products that Renae's releasing. They're also there for a very short time, but I can give you other links if you're interested. Okay, see you, bye bye.